Hello, lovely people! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm just going to do a simple day makeup. Pupunta lang ako sa mall. Hindi po kami lockdown. So, pwede kaming lumabas. Just take extra precautions. Pero, yun nga. So, since lalabas ako, I'm just gonna do a very quick, simple day makeup. And sana magustuhan nyo. Okay? Let's start. So, first of all, as usual, maglalagay ako ng aking base. Okay, so after ng makeup base, I'm going to use my Lucas Popo. Just to moisturize my lips. Okay, so after ng Lucas Popo, next is my foundation. You know the drill. We'll do it really quickly. Okay. Next is yung powder naman. And of course, after the powder, yung eyebrows naman. Okay, so after ng kilay, magko-contour naman ako. So again, ito. And then below. Okay. So after ng shading, highlighting naman. I'll start with my nose. Ayan, plakado na siya. Tapos, magba-blush on na ako. After ng blush on, isang mabilisang eyeshadow. Natural color lang. So, ito. Alam nyo naman, maliit yung eyes ko, at saka droopy. So, kailangan ko siyang i-eyeshadow para mukha siyang maganda. Ito medyo brownish. And then, yung dark color dito sa outer corner. Para magkaroon siya ng illusion na mataas yung area na to. Kasi mababa talaga to. Diba? Ito muna yung difference. Okay, sa kabila naman. Ayan siya. Okay, next is eyeliner naman. Okay. That's the eyeliner. After the eyeliner, I'm gonna curl my lashes. And then, mascara. Now I'm gonna use my lipstick from Maybelline called Delicate. Ayan, simple lang siya. Next, I'm gonna blow dry my hair. Kasi basa pa siya. Kakaligo ko lang. Wait lang. Okay, so nakapag-blow dry na ako ng hair. Tuyo na siya. And aalis na ako. So, yun lang naman. Napakasimple niya kung titignan mo, parang wala lang. Para ka lang nag-lipstick, tapos inayos mo lang konti yung ano mo, yung mata mo, at saka yung eyebrows mo. Simple lang. Ayan. So, sana nagustuhan nyo to, and kung nagustuhan nyo, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as well kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe. And thank you so much for watching as well. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye! So this is it. I'm in the mall, and this is how the makeup look like.